Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever heard about the Eurodrone? It's Europe's latest cutting-edge drone project, and it's making waves globally. This advanced twin-engine drone is being developed by France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, with aerospace leaders like Airbus, Dassault Aviation, and Leonardo. Is set to revolutionize surveillance and defense. Equipped with advanced sensors, surveillance systems, and potential weapons, this twin-engine remotely piloted aircraft system, RPAS, offers a massive payload capacity of over 2.3 tons. Now here's the exciting part. ACAR EA Director Joachim Sucker presented the letter of approval to Indian Ambassador Ajit Gupta at the Indian Embassy in Berlin. India has joined the program as an observer, showing serious interest in acquiring 12 Eurodrones. This move strengthens India's defense capabilities and builds strategic global partnerships. It's a big leap for India and a testament to the Eurodrone's global impact. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.